Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful chocolate covered strawberries. The first thing you're going to do is wash your strawberries. You want those to be nice and clean. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions with people asking for measurements for my videos. For those of you who don't know, I have the exact measurements for all my videos in the description box of each video. Next, you're going to need some paper towels to dry off your strawberries. And this part is very important. Your strawberries need to be dry, otherwise the chocolate won't stick on the strawberries. And also leave the stems or the leaves on because you need that part to hold on to the strawberries when you dip it in the chocolate. If you're into chocolate covered strawberries, give this video a thumbs up and let me know which is your favorite. Do you like milk chocolate, white chocolate, semi-sweet, dark? Leave me a comment below and let me know. So for the chocolate part of this recipe, I'm using me and my husband's favorite. I'm using some white chocolate chips and some milk chocolate chips, but feel free to use whatever you like. Next, you're going to need a baking sheet lined with wax paper or parchment paper. You just need something to put the strawberries on so they don't stick. For the first batch, I'm using 1 cup of the milk chocolate chips. I'm putting this in the microwave and I'm going to let this go for 30 seconds intervals until it's melted. And just make sure you stir it in between. If you don't have a microwave, you can do this on a stovetop in a double boiler, so just do whichever one you prefer. Depending on the microwave you're using, this is going to take like a minute to a minute and a half. It doesn't take long at all, and some of your chocolate chips are going to look like they're not melting, but just keep stirring it until they are. You don't want to overcook your chocolate. I apologize if I sound nasally in this video, but I have a cough and cold, so just excuse me. All you have to do now is dip your strawberries in the chocolate. What I like to do is hold the strawberries by the leaves and dip them in the chocolate. And make sure you get the whole strawberry covered. Just leave a little bit peeking out at the top. That way people know what they're getting. And then wipe off the excess amount and set it on the tray. I'm just going to repeat the same process with the white chocolate chips. One thing I've noticed about the white chocolate chips is that they don't melt up as quick as the milk chocolate. So if you're someone that doesn't like white chocolate, well, you have to give this a try. I'm not a big fan of white chocolate either, but somehow with this strawberry, oh my gosh, it just pairs so well. I love it. To decorate the tops of the strawberries, I'm using the leftover chocolate and I'm putting in half teaspoon of canola oil in it. You don't need a lot of oil and you just need some kind of flavorless oil, and this will just help thin it out. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds and then put it in a bag. A good tip is to put your bag in a glass if you don't have someone to hold it for you, and that way when you scrape the chocolate in your bag you don't have it going everywhere. And you can use a piping bag, a Ziploc bag, any bag you like. I'm just going to cut off a piece of my bag because it's a big bag I'm using and it's getting in my way, and then I'm going to snip a tiny bit off the end. I like to drizzle the white chocolate over the milk chocolate and the milk chocolate over the white chocolate, but you can do whatever you want. You can do any design you want. It's up to you. You can even put some food coloring in the white chocolate and make it whatever color you want. And you could do this for any occasion. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, and there's no big recipe you need to know. It all depends on how much strawberries you're using, then that's how much chocolate you're using. What I like to do with the leftover chocolate is make chocolate covered almonds. Oh my gosh, I love these. But you could make chocolate covered pretzels or you could put fruit in it, whatever you like. After you're finished, put everything in the refrigerator to chill for at least an hour. You want to give the chocolate enough time to set up. After I take them out of the refrigerator, I like to inspect them and make sure everything looks good. And then I break off the edges that are sticking out. By the way, make sure that whatever pan you're using, you have space in the refrigerator for it to fit. Otherwise, you're going to be in trouble. This part is optional, but I like to put them in these mini baking cups. I just think that makes them look extra cute. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this one because I enjoyed making them. Before I go, I want to show you what the chocolate covered almonds look like. Mmm, these are so good. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.